What's going on, guys? If you're new here, my name's Greg, and today we're going to be cooking one of my favorite meals, some salmon. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, first thing we're going to do, cut this open, get this salmon out. Go ahead, put it face down, skin up. Got two pieces. Got both pieces. Go ahead and take them out. Put them face down, skin up, and then I'm gonna grab a napkin real quick. And then what you're gonna do is get your knife. It's gotta be a sharp knife. Cut you little slits in the salmon. Once you get it, it's gonna take you a second to get through that skin. There we go. Just like that. Don't go all the way through, just a little bit through. Just like that. Cut you a couple of those. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other one. Just like that. Just as so. Once you're done with that, you want to grab you some salt. Sprinkle you some salt on there. Get you some pepper. And then you're gonna get you some paprika. Sprinkle that, or any Cajun seasoning if you like that. Just something. Like so. Just gonna pat it in, get it in those crevices. Up in there. As so, I'll flip it. Gonna do the other side, and the reason why you put those little slits in the salmon is it helps cook it, because you don't want to cook salmon long on the. You don't want to cook it too long on the stove. I'm cooking mine on the stove, but you don't want to be overheat for too long. Salmon overcooks pretty quickly, so you cut that little slit in it, and it helps cook that backside, because I think you eat it with the skin. Some people don't like it with the skin, but you eat it with the skin. And then, yeah, it helps cook it evenly, a little better, but you don't want to leave it on too long, because then it could overcook your salmon. That's no good. So next step, we're gonna get this pan over here. You're gonna leave it high before you put the olive oil in it, because we're gonna put olive oil in it. Before you put the olive oil in it, you want this pan to get piping hot, because if you put your olive oil in it before you start cooking it on the pan, your olive oil is gonna burn. So let your pan get piping hot first, then put your olive oil on, and then we're gonna put the fish on, and it'll be time to cook. All right, now the pan's nice and hot. Get your olive oil, sprinkle it in there. Get your fish. I'm only doing one at a time. You lay it away. You're gonna just get you something, press down on it for a second so all that skin grabs. Almost put it back in there. We're gonna let this cook for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, then we're gonna flip it. All right, been about 2 minutes. We're gonna get up underneath here like that. This is still cool. So go ahead, look at that skin. Turn it over. That skin looks beautiful. So now let it cook for another 2 minutes, and we'll do the next step. All right, it's been another 2 minutes. So what we're gonna do, Get the fish. Flip it back up. Look at that. That looks amazing. Alright, so what we're going to do now, go ahead and throw your heat on low. Get you a stick of butter. Just a little bit, about 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to let that melt. Get you 2 cloves of garlic. And then get you a little bit of thyme. Throw that in there. Oh yeah. And then grab you a spoon. Go ahead. Go ahead and baste it a little bit. Oh yeah. That looks amazing. Gets you about a clove or 2. Set it on top. And we're gonna let this sit on low heat for about 6 minutes. And we'll let the rest of that fish cook. Then after that, you're done. Boom. Take it off the grill, eat it. What I'm gonna do though, this pan's only big enough for one of them, so I'm gonna let this sit for 6 minutes, take it off, cook the other one, and then we'll jump into it and see how it tastes. Alright, it's been 6 minutes. This fish is done. Oh, it looks so good. I'm just gonna say, look at that fish. I mean, come on. I think it looks amazing. I'm gonna just set this inside of here, put the lid on, and I'm gonna let this sit while I cook the next one. So I'm gonna cook the next one, then I'll be back. Okay. There it is. Okay. Alright, now it's all done cooking. This is the second one, this one's done. Ooh, that's hot. Time to plate it up. Got a nice little bed of rice to put it on, some avocados, some broccoli. Got this one over here. Just wipe that off. Oh yeah. Beautiful piece of salmon. Alright, next thing we'll do is our taste test. Alright, now, taste test time. Look how flaky that is. Come look at that. Look how flaky, I mean that's just amazing. Perfectly cooked. See how it tastes. That's so good. It tastes so good. It's flaky, it's got a little crisp, I mean, you can hear it. I mean, it's just, that's some good salmon. A very good salmon. Alright, appreciate y'all watching. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see me cook next, and I'll see y'all next time.